Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for paw your way into our hearts, and it is all about our fur babies. Here is my Asher Basher, and I am going to be scrap lifting one of the design team members from Go Shopaway, I think, or Go Getaway. Yeah, Go Shopaway, which is Vic, and she's got her lovely cat. She's got some circles, and I'll link it up here on the top. But she's got circles. I'm going to do hexagons. She's very, very much got a white background. And I am going to... Why is this out of order? I am definitely going to figure out how I want this to look. I may go with that. That might be my background. But this is that collection. Now that I'm finally kind of caught up on everything in my life right now with school, because it's the year end, I am now able to get onto some of my layouts that I should be doing, but because of the design teams and just school in general, because it's the end of the year, I haven't been able to do it. So I am going to probably use this as my background piece, and then I am going to do 2 of this size and 1 of this size. I'm going to cut it. I have my Gemini. That's what I'm going to do. All of that fun stuff. So let's see what I can do. All right. As you can see up on top, you can see that they have 3 circles, and I am going to do 3 hexagons. 2 of them are the same size. The other one is a little bit smaller. So I am going through the color tones that I want, and then I decided that I'm going to do more blue tones with this particular collection. So I'm going to do that, and then I just went off camera. I've got a Gemini, and I just quickly got this cut and done. And then I am going to do some mixed media in the background. For this particular one, Vicky left it kind of simple, and you guys know me. I'm a little bit more not simple in that regards. So I'm just adding my, I made it kind of like barbed wire fencing around the edging. And I kind of lined up where I want my hexagon background to go. So the 2 colors that you will see me use on this collection is going to be Chip Sapphire and then Faded Jeans. Now I know that they're pretty close in tones, but you will be able to tell the difference from when I lay this down. So I wanted the hexagons to kind of peek out, but not like all the way across the whole page. So I went and got it to that part, and then I was like, and then the stars. Now the stars just added, I feel, a little bit more to this collection and the way the layout's going. So I'm just adding the stars where I think they should go. And then once everything gets put down, then you'll kind of see like, oh yeah, this worked out, and why, I didn't really do much in the middle. I did want a little bit in the middle just in case, but by the time I got the layout completely done, the middle really didn't need too much, but it was all good. So I am going to back the paper or the photo with the same papers that I use, and she has 2 strips that are running down the middle. And that's what I'm going to put down as well. So you'll see me do that. I'm trying to see if that's the right size. And I'm like, nope, not so much. So then I go in and I get a little bit different one. And here I am. I'm going to make sure that the photos, where the one photo has my special layering that I love to do, all of the goodness of the layers. While you were watching me do this, make sure you go check out everybody that is following along and doing this. It is a monthly collaboration with a bunch of us now. It started out with just Rebecca Lockhart and myself, and we have grown. So make sure that you go check out everybody, like and subscribe to everybody's channel. We would love to have you. I personally upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do design teams, collaborations like this, and just a bunch of other stuff. School is almost out for me. I'm so excited. Oh, Jesus. I am to that point where I'm ready to rock and roll and just be done. Yep, I'm ready. I'm to that point. I didn't know if I was ever going to get to that point with these set of kids, and I was like little leery on, do I really want them to be gone? But I'm ready. They need to go to 5th grade and start to not have Miss Webber as their teacher mom anymore. A lot of them have known me for 2 years, even a little bit longer, since they've been in 2nd grade. And so it's time. They need to move on. I love them a lot, but they need to be ready. So these are the strips that I was talking about. So I'm getting them placed down just so that I can use them as my focal point for my hexagons that are gonna that I'm gonna place down. Now, like I said, I know that I'm covering up some of my mixed media, but I needed it to be where I could be able to see it. So I was going to say breathe deep you, and it's just like, I don't know, some crazy saying that I thought in my head. But this breathe and this deep does not look right. I put it down. It's not, it doesn't look at all right at all. So I was like, nope. And then I happened to see this sticker and I was like, yep. And then it says, wishing you doggone good time, you. And I was like, yep, that's perfect. So that is what one of my titles is, and then you'll see my other subtitle on the other hexagon. I'll add another one there. She did some journaling on hers, but I really don't need to journal on Asher's. His is more, we just got to get through it. And then this one says, always pick boots over heels, because I don't wear heels. And I was like, you know what, that's even better yet, because that follows Mom a little bit more than, Asher, because obviously he doesn't wear shoes. But, yeah. So here I am. I'm placing down all of these embellishments. I am using the back side of this wood grain paper is all those fussy cut flowers I did because I needed more embellishments because I was running out. Obviously, you guys know that I used this collection, and I'm still using this collection, and I'm cleaning it up for How to Kill a Kit with Style. So that is what this collection, and it's made for Asher. I decided that all of the photos are going to be Asher's photos for this particular collection. So, and I'm just going through and I'm just adding everything on, getting it all ready to go. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I do upload, like I said, 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you go check out everybody. I will link the pin down below as well off of Pinterest. Or no, actually it isn't Pinterest. I found her on Instagram, or found this layout on Instagram. So I'll link the thing down below in the Instagram, so that you can go check it out as well if you want to scrap lift this layout as well. Yeah, so I hope that you guys are all enjoying everything. This is going up on Thursday, so I do have my retreat again, so make sure that you go ahead and check out the Facebook group. It is down there for you guys to use. I am definitely going to be, it is May's crop, so that is going to be released on Friday night and all of those goodness stuff. So yeah, the still shots are definitely coming up. I am going to do my black splatters here once I get the little bits of these placed in there. I do come in with my pops of black, and to where I do like the pops of color where I do the 3 little dots because I'm really liking that style as well on my layouts. And then I do come in with the splatters. The splatters is just my black paint pen. I get the really good ones, and then I get the little gray. They turn a little bit grayish when I put the water on there. Still shots are coming up. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.